Are you kidding me? This is not working. I'm used to it now. Hey guys, today me and Katie are doing film. 5 hours later, we have. The storm has still not stopped. But it's getting really annoying now because we just want stupid light to work. And yeah, and my brother's being a very different. At least he's entertained. Come reach it. Get under. Oh, by the way, if you're wondering what this thing is here, it's my dad's 4x4 truck. We went in it, and I rented it on Sunday, and the wheels. When we came, we went in it on Sunday, and the wheels literally, they're supposed to be like that, but they were like that because we went down the red route, and then the things were so. Ow! Would you shush? When we came, we went 4x4, didn't we? Yeah. And we got stuck. So we had to get pulled out by one of our friends that came with us. Luckily, we had someone who went with us. It was an event, so yeah. And we realised that the wheels were broken. That was the other 4x4 though. And then, yeah, the other 4x4. Why won't this stupid iPad stand up? We broke down on the motorway. Yeah, we did. And then we had to get picked up by our friends that were with us. Right, you are going now. It was ridiculous. And I mean ridiculous. Work already! Please just work, please just work. Ah! That's how it ends! Yeah! Country floss! Oh yeah, country floss. Me and Finley made up this floss that kind of makes us like happy, like cheerful, and like it's when we all went to Right, so yeah, when it was our nan's birthday, and stop. We're gonna put this on YouTube, Cooper. And you will be on YouTube. You want to be on YouTube? Yes. Come on then. Say hi to everyone. Say hi to everyone, and they'll be on YouTube. You want to be on YouTube and then watch yourself on YouTube. There you go. No. Stand up and then you'll be on YouTube. Look, say hi to everyone. This is my little brother. He's 4 and very, and I mean very annoying. This light isn't working. This light is ridiculous. It is. Seriously. Did everyone hear that? Please say you heard that. Please. 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 And if you're wondering what this is yeah, it's my mermaid sticker that I have on the wall because I'm like obsessed with mermaids and unicorns. And yeah, and then I need to turn the lights back. And this is what I got. Ready? Oh, my brother's dribbles all over it. You ready? You can do it. I don't have another one. And careful, this is an antique.
We're doing this by this light controller here.
And did you know they are originated in Australia? And by the way, did you know I talk a lot? And I mean a lot.
Did you know I talk a lot?
We're doing a country floss.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know you talk a lot. Ha 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 ha. think that's a perfect place to do it. Maybe next time, then maybe we'll like tomorrow or Thursday, then we can do it again.
I'm trying to go on you.
No! Sorry for the shouting. Sorry.
For the shelter.
And I'm going on your back. No! Sorry for the shouting.
Okay? Could you just go a little bit?
Wait, 1 minute. I've just got an idea. Say hi, hey, say hi, Coops.
Hi! It's Katie!
What the heck?
Can I go in there? Can I go
Did
in
you want to see
there?
that flash?
Hello?
Maybe, I'll show you. Maybe when the lights turn back on.
Make sure to subscribe. Hit the bell.
No,